How to use a USB as RAM. This time I will show you some simple tricks so you can learn how to use a USB as RAM. It's quick and pretty easy to do. What is RAM memory? In order not to go into very technical definitions, because they are irrelevant, here we will briefly define what RAM memory is. The abbreviation comes from the acronym in English Random Access Memory. It is responsible for loading the instructions that are going to be executed in the processor so that it can access it. Therefore, the better our RAM, the faster and more efficient our PC will be. With better we mean a better frequency, latency, type, among others. Do you have problems with your RAM memory? It happens to many people that they do not have 16 gigabytes of RAM. The capacity that a standard computer usually has is 4 gigabytes or 8 gigabytes. For those users who have 4 gigabytes, it is really a challenge to use the computer. Currently, an application such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox can take up a large amount of resources. If you want to increase that amount of resources on your PC, here we will teach you how to use a USB as RAM memory. Create a virtual RAM. In this first method, we will teach you how to use virtual memory in order to transform USB capacity into RAM memory. To do this, follow the instructions below. Plug in the USB stick you want to use as RAM. Open the Windows menu and enter the control panel. Once in the control panel, go to System. Then click on the Advanced System Settings option. In the new window, go to the Advanced Options section. There click on Settings located in the Performance section. In this window, go to the Advanced Options tab and in Virtual Memory click Change. Uncheck the Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives tab. Then select the pendrive you want to use and add the same amount in both boxes. Your USB must have at least 4 gigabytes of storage. Finally, after finishing this, we will proceed to restart the computer. And just like that, your virtual memory will start working.